Yo, Sangina. So this is Bosch PST 650. It is a jigsaw in English, and French is a Jigsaw Sautuse, and in Dutch it is in German is it a Stitchsache. It's again from the Bosch DIY Blue range. It's again from the Bosch DIY Green range. A lot of those do tend to come with these convenient packaging for home use because, well, you need space and stuff and packaging to store them in. So it's easier when they're contained in their own containers. You notice now they are marked with these color coding, easy, universal, and advanced, sort of show how the ease of use that it is. I bought this because, yeah, sometimes this is not the it. This is not it, and sometimes you just want to make a quick cut, but you don't want to work out. So that's why I got that. Put that aside. So yeah, nice robust case, plastic, good for storing. Yeah. So like I said, they use these as a seal. And on the side, boop, boop. So this is a jigsaw. Essentially, it is a very modern interpretation of this. So you could tell. They've turned this into this, and I'm not sure if it's bigger or smaller, but the machine itself is bigger. So this is equivalent to bicep. This motion bicep is now in that, and then this has been trimmed down to this. So yeah, it'll be interesting to use, and now with this I'll be able to make quicker cuts. But in the case, all you find these two items because that's all you really need. Let's see, they've got it's got a SDS system, which means it's easy attachment and easy, because I'm not going to be using it now, I'm just going to try it out. I'm not sure. See, view. Yeah, so that's how you attach it. You simply pull this red lever back, pull that out, put in a new saw blade, and yeah, it is easy attachment. It's very convenient, I must say. Got a locking mechanism on both the left and the right hand side, and what that allows you to do is that if you're left-handed, when you click on there, you push on there, it locks so that you can use it for extended use, and then once you're done, if you pull the trigger again, that will click out. So on the right hand side, if you're right-handed, do this. Wow, do the same, it locks, and once you're done, click there, it clicks out. It's easy. I think this is a blower mode so that as you cut, it blows away the dust, so you can either set that on or off. So it's an interesting thing. But other than that, and this feels like a nice solid jigsaw. I've never owned one, so I won't know what unsolid one is, but it does have a sign. All of them actually have a sign that says read the manual. But yeah, it's got a slit so that you at least put your surface, know when you're cutting straight. And this, I think, is also another dust extractor thingy, or if not, this is for the blower bit to pull in air and push onto there. So yeah, the Bosch Jigsaw, again, as is customary. See, bicep. I'm gonna make so much stuff. Oh, so satisfying. So yeah, let's see with the lock on. Pompa, pompa. Pompa. So yeah, I think I'm getting all giddy and excited for this because I've struggled so much with making cuts. So this will make my weekend warrior life so much more interesting. Yeah. So click that out, put that there for storage, and how is this thing sitting? Oh, there you go. Put it back in there. Oh, I forgot the manual. I'm not really gonna bother with this for now, but I'm gonna read it at some point. And that's it for the Bosch PST 650. Stupid. Am I recording? Wow.